Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 11 without losing data. So let's get started. To get started, open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking on the search icon and typing Settings, or by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to System and scroll down until you find the Recovery option. Click on Recovery and you'll see a few options. Before resetting, Windows gives you the option to fix problems without resetting the PC. But for now, we're focusing on the Reset this PC option. Click on the Reset PC button and you'll see two choices. Keep My Files. This will remove apps and settings, but keep your files, like PDFs, pictures, etc. Remove Everything. This is for when you're selling your PC and want to wipe all your data. Since we want to keep our files, choose Keep My Files. Next, you'll have two reinstall options, Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. For this tutorial, I'll go with Local Reinstall, which reinstalls Windows from your device. Review the settings, and if you're happy, click Next. Before proceeding, you'll get a summary of what will happen during the reset, such as reverting the settings to default and removing all apps. You can even see a list of apps that will be removed. For example, third-party apps like Google Chrome or any software tools you've installed will be removed. Once you're satisfied, click on Reset to begin the process. The reset process will start, and your device may restart a few times during this period. You'll see messages like Resetting this PC, along with a progress percentage. Just be patient and keep your device plugged in during this process. After the reset completes, you'll reach the login screen. Use your same password to log in. Windows will start setting everything back to the default settings. After a few moments, you'll be logged back into Windows 11. All your previous apps will be gone, but your files will remain intact. That's how you can reset your Windows 11 operating system without losing your data. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.